Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today in this section I'm going to explain how to post the asset equation through vendor in SAP system. To post the asset equation through vendor in SAP we have to use the transaction code is F-90. So in this session I'm going to explain the step-by-step process to acquire the asset through vendor. So let's get started. So in the command field, I am entering the transaction code as F-90, and here I am selecting the document date as 01/01/2023, and the same date I am selecting as a posting date, and the period would be 01, and the company code is 2000 and currency is INR. I'm just mentioning the header text as a asset equation through vendor, and then I'm selecting the posting key 31 vendor credit as vendor credit. Now in the account field I need to select the vendor. This is my vendor, and then hit enter and enter the amount, and then mention some asset equation furnitures, and then for the asset we need to select the posting key as 70. 70 means it's a debit, asset debit. So here we can see asset debit, and then here we need to select our asset. So my asset would be this one, the first one, 500003, and then transaction type for the external equation is 100, and again I hit enter and then select the amount and just hit enter and click on document here and simulate. Uh-oh, we are getting account object fund differs from that in the asset master record. Okay, system is looking for the fund and fund center. In my case, the FM funds management has been activated. Now, just copying the asset F02 and go here. So time dependent layout master data. Okay, then time dependent. So here we can see the fund and fund center has been suppressed, so I am putting as optional fields fund and fund center. Then in the asset master data these fields will be appear slash /02. Okay, and time dependent, yes. Now system will allow us to post a transaction. Now click on document and click on simulate here. Now here we can see the entry. The final entry would be system is showing vendor account credit and the asset account would be debit. Okay, if you go to the asset accounting here, so you will see the exact entry here. So the exact entry would be here. We can see this one, vendor account credit, and then here technical clearing account debit, this one 70, and then this asset account and the technical clearing account, this one debit and this one credit. This is the exact entry, and these two technical clearing accounts, debit and credit, will be nullified, and the final entry would be vendor debit and asset account credit. Sorry, vendor credit and asset account will be debit. This will be the final entry. We can see in the system. So I'm going one step back here. So the final entry would be this one, vendor account credit and the asset account debit. Okay, I'm going back one step back and then click on post. So document 1000 all zeros 23 was posted in company code. Now we will display this document here. So this is the document. If you can see, and click on general ledger view, you will see here, and then asset accounting. Here you will see the exact document. So here the technical clearing, this is the entry has been generated by system. These two line items will be nullified by the system, and the final entry would be this one. You can see you can find the item as 1 1. So I will filter it out. So this would be the final entry. Okay, so that's all in this section. Thank you so much.